In 1 Peter 1:6-7, in all of this, no, you greatly rejoice. No, kalipay daw. Though now, for a little while, you may have to have suffering, grief, in all kinds of trials. These have come so that to proven genuineness of your faith. So gialaw na ni Lord ang mga pagsapsap no mga inconvenience sa imong kinabuhi para ang imong faith mahimong genuine. Tama? Of your greater worth than gold, which perishes even though refined by fire, may result in praise, glory, and honor when Jesus Christ is revealed. Amen? No, usahay magyud no, makareklamo kita sa mga happenings sa tong kinabuhi. No, but I want you to remember, dili na atake, assignment na ni Lord sa imuha. Amen? Anak pag-idri, ano? God will allow uncomfortable people and situation to remain in your life not because gusto sa Ginoo nga palisdan ka, but because they are part of God's refining work sa imuhang kinabuhi. Amen?